Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the breathtaking island of St. Martin. From stunning beaches to thrilling adventures, we've got a fantastic 72 hours in St. Martin lined up for you. So, let's dive right in. Day 1. Exploring the island's wonders. Our adventure begins with renting a car for ultimate freedom and exploration. With your own wheels, you can effortlessly navigate the island's wonders. First stop, Mayho Beach. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as you stand just steps away from the runway, feeling the powerful jets of airplanes as they land and take off. Next, we'll take you to some remarkable lookout points. These spots offer stunning vistas of the island's harbors, where you can truly appreciate St. Martin's natural beauty. For a touch of wildlife, let's head over to Paratville Bird Park. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of exotic parrots and other birds. It's an interactive experience you won't want to miss. And of course, no visit to St. Martin is complete without exploring its rich history. The island boasts historical forts that offer insight into its past while providing fantastic photo opportunities. Night 1. Unleashing the nightlife. As the sun sets, get ready to party at the Rainbow Cafe Beach Party. Dance under the stars, enjoy live music, and indulge in delicious island cuisine. For a dose of excitement, head to Sinesta Casino, where you can try your luck at various games. And why not hop around the vibrant bars in Mayho to savor local drinks and the lively atmosphere. Day 2. Island hopping and spirits tasting. Day 2 promises an adventure at sea. Join a booze cruise to Anguilla, where you'll soak up the sun, swim in turquoise waters, and create unforgettable memories. Back on land, it's time to explore the world of rum. The Topper's Room Tour takes you on a journey through the art of rum making. Sip, savor, and learn about the island's favorite spirit. Night 2. Dancing the night away. Evenings in St. Martin are about letting loose and having a blast. Start your night at We Lounge, a trendy spot for pre-gaming and mingling. And when the clock strikes late, head over to Lotus Nightclub for an electrifying dance floor experience. Get ready to dance the night away with fellow travelers and locals. Day 3. Adventure and relaxation. On your final day, it's time for adventure and relaxation. Experience the thrill of ziplining through the treetops at Lottery Farm, surrounded by nature's beauty. After the exhilaration, unwind by the pool at Lottery Farm. Soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere before your departure. As our journey through St. Martin comes to an end, I'm reminded of the sheer beauty and diversity this island has to offer. From the thrill of watching planes soar overhead to the serenity of crystal-clear waters, every moment on this adventure was a treasure. Whether you're a history buff exploring the island's forts or a party lover dancing the night away, St. Martin caters to every kind of traveler. It's a place where memories are made, bonds are formed, and stories are shared. So, if you're seeking a destination that seamlessly blends excitement and relaxation, culture and nature, then St. Martin should be at the top of your travel list. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon, so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.